Oh my goodness.
Hey, what are you doing?
What? I'm not doing anything.
I went and got the flash.
I
You're
know,
in here
but
creating some magic. That's not right. Let's go back in the bus.
Okay, come on.
Come on.
Fair's fair. So this is the craziest location today.
Absolutely.
Hey, today we're going to show you 3 ways to light the same scene. And it's up to you to figure out which way's best for you.
Hand on the wheel, got my pistons pumping, all 800 horses running. Oh, baby. 125 in the middle of the night, got my engine thundering.
Oh, look at this spot.
Oh, this is amazing. Amazing. So, Mark, you were right. We are in one of the coolest locations that we've shot in a long time. Welcome to the bus graveyard. Now, we've got our friend Lexi here who's going to be modeling with us today. And a lot of times Mark and I will do these videos where we do a comparison or kind of a competition between each other. That's not the case today. But what we want to show you is 3 different ways to shoot the same picture with 3 different ways of lighting it. And it's really up to you to decide which one you like best. And first we're going to start off with natural light. So let's take a walk and let's head into one of these buses here.
Something back there moved. No, not this one.
There's just a bunch of stuff all around here. Nope, not this one either. Let's find one here. And I think it would work for what we're going to shoot here. Yeah, this is the one. Oh yeah. It even comes with a cat too. Just scurry through.
No.
The lighting is not really...
That light coming across there, and since we can't move the bus,
Yeah.
let's try a different one.
All right, let's go see what we have.
Oh, hey guys, come into this one. This is cool.
Kind of scary. So you found a good one?
I did. Check this one out.
All right, let's take a look. Oh yeah, green. Looks good.
It even has a bathroom.
Oh, perfect. I'll be right back.
Okay, I think, Lexi, I'm going to get you to sit just a couple rows back. Why don't you sit down right there?
Well, nice thing about this one, Mark,
What's that?
this one's only like 105 degrees in here compared
Yeah.
to the other one, which is 195 degrees.
Okay, so our first shot's natural light. And
Yeah.
you know what? I think 90% of all photographers these days, everything I see is natural light. And I think a lot of times it's just because people just don't know what they can do with flash. But you know what? Good light is good light.
It is.
And right in here, we've got great light. And here's what I think makes great light when it's controllable, just like with a flash. Look at these windows over here. This window is like an amazing softbox. We got a bus next door where light's gonna bounce back into it. So that's why I decided to put Lexi right here in this first seat, or the second row of seats, because we're gonna have, it's like beautiful soft light coming
that
through
looks pretty amazing.
directionally. We don't have anything falling down from up above because of the bus. So let's see what we get with natural light.
Racing queen, I'll take you.
I really like the placement of her head. I like the fact that the windows are working as leading lines. And I'm just getting it set up right now. I'm exposing for her face. I'm at 2.8, 100th of a second. ISO 100. Awesome. Yep. Oh, that looks amazing.
That's pretty
So how can we make this different, look different, just by adding a flash?
good. Well, I think I got an idea.
Okay.
Let's go grab a flash. Actually, let's get out of this bus for a second.
Yes,
You're
because
looking
it's like about
rather
150
moist in
degrees
there.
here. Let's go cool
Let's
off.
go grab a flash, and we'll come right back.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
Hey, what are you doing?
What? I'm not doing anything.
I went and got the flash.
I
You're
know,
in here
but-
creating some magic. That's not right. Let's go back in the bus.
Okay, come on.
Come on. now.
Fair's fair.
You're cheating.
I got this one open.
Mark, go ahead. Bring that light on in here.
Okay.
So that shot that Mark just took actually looked pretty amazing with natural light. But the thing that flash does is just gives you that extra little punch, right? That kiss of light, which gives you better saturation, more intense light on the subject. I think it's just going to make a difference. Let's give it a try. We're using the FJ 200 in here with the Rapid Box Small. It's probably one of our favorite, including the Pro Grip too. It's one of our favorite go-to lightings. We can't use a stand in here. It's just way too...
Yeah, there's just nowhere to put a stand, so
Yeah, way
I'm
too
going to hold
boxy.
this up.
Hold that there. All right, Lexi, you ready? Looks awesome. Check that out. So just having that flash,
Oh yeah, it's
focus that light right on her.
so that's what I see what you mean about just giving it a punch,
Yeah,
but it
just a
still
little
looks
bit of
very
punch.
natural.
When I compare the two between your shot and my shot, They're the same shot, but they look different, right?
They do.
One is not better than the other, but
No.
I actually really like that.
I do too.
Yep. All right, let's switch positions here. I'll hold that for you.
Okay.
Come on
So
in.
let's go to that third one, and this is the one I'm really excited about because this is a style of shooting that I really like, and that is very dramatic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop all the light down in this. So I'm going to just close down my aperture. I'm at F10. Have a little trouble with some cobwebs there. Cobwebs. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to kill a lot of the ambient light, and I'm going to rely upon the light to bring a lot more of it back in. So Lexi's looking straight ahead, and see, that one's so much more dramatic.
It is very dramatic.
But this is one where I'd love to actually change the direction of light.
Okay.
So if you went outside, I'm glad that we got that pro grip on there because you could just hold it up, I think, towards the front of this window out here.
Makes sense.
Let's give it a try.
You let me know how it goes.
I'll just let you know, okay?
Yep.
Which, you know, I've lost a few stops of light, so I'm going to go down from F10 to F8. And
So are you trying to kind of make the sun shining through the window? Is that all right?
yeah, I kind of want it to look, you know, a little darker in here, and I want it to look like, yeah, just, you know, sunlight coming through. I can see the buses now on the other side.
All right, let's just go out here and play a little bit. I was melting in that bus, so
Ooh, it's hot in
shoot
there.
outside for a little bit and just play around. So let's bring that light higher so it's like pointed down at her. Great.
Well, I think we should call it. That was a fun day today.
Yeah.
I'm exhausted. It's warm today.
I thought wintertime was coming, but obviously not.
So, you know, there wasn't a huge difference with all three styles of shooting, but you know, I'm going to say I love the dramatic style.
I know. There's no arguing about that.
Yeah.
You were going to say your favorite of the three.
Yeah, I
dramatic
love darkening everything down and then letting that flash come in and relighting it up. It's got a feel that I really like.
Yeah, but don't make it sound like it's the only way. Right?
No,
So
no.
it's not. I mean, that's the thing that we wanted to say today is that you got to find your own way, your own style. You love dramatic light. We've known that.
Yeah.
I like more of an open feel. I still like dramatic light.
But I love, here's why you always hear me pushing people to try that style. It's not like I'm trying to sell them on, ooh, shoot like me. But I think every photographer needs like all three styles in their bag of tricks.
Yep.
But a lot of people, it's not that they don't like that style or they can't do it. They just don't do it. Their brains go, yeah, if I turn my,
I will 100% give you that.
yeah, if I darken it down, it's not going to look good. But they forget, I'm going to throw flash back in, and that flash is going to relight the stuff.
What's so difficult about it sometimes, and I'm not blaming you, right? I'm not casting blame, but the thing is sometimes you get so excited about your drama.
Oh, I know.
That it's like, it's drama or it's your mama. Like there's no other way to go
Yeah.
around it. It's like there's nothing but drama. So find your own way. If you like the drama, awesome. If you like the wide open, bright look, awesome. But we gave you 3 different options today, showed you how to do it and how you can do it in a really tight space too.
Yep, so get out and try it. But we ask that you like the video,
Subscribe.
ring that little bell somewhere, and it'll be notified every time. You will be notified every time we come up with a new
That's
video.
right. And don't forget,
Don't
don't be lazy.
We'll be right back.